Alrighty guys, so here's a review on the Heidenau K58 all-season tires. I bought these this summer to go on trails with my Honda Metropolitan, and so far they've been pretty good. So they don't really make knobby tires for Honda Metropolitan. I mean, look at the size of this tire. It's pretty small, but this is basically as knobby as I could get them. So I bought these off Fortnine, and initially I had the intentions of riding this on trails, which I did. I mean, I've taken the scooter with these tires on trails that I would probably never take my car on. So let me show you a little bit, a quick test of how it does in the snow. All right, I mean, once the trail's beaten, it actually drives pretty fast, so it's just you gotta get a track first. But I'm sure it would be fine if a skidoo had already passed. I mean, it's handling it no problem. All right, so what are my final thoughts on the Heidenau K58s? Well, they're a good scooter tire. I mean, once you have a good trail, I'm sure if this was a flat skidoo trail, my scooter would do pretty well. I mean, I've had this on slick ice before, and usually I just wrap rope around the wheels here to get some like homemade chains, but yeah, that works really well. I mean, I've had this scooter on ice before, so with these tires, and it works good. And the summertime, when like I've taken this thing, like I said, on trails that I won't even go with my car. So, I mean, I don't even think a truck could go through the trails I've been through with the scooter. And I don't have much high ground clearance, so I'll have to build a skid plate eventually. But if you guys are looking for an all-around kind of off-roading tire, I would definitely recommend these tires, especially if you got a small scooter. I mean, there's really not much else in the market, and well, I mean, it's not really made for off-road use, but hey, it works. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, and bye-bye.